This is a really stout rod. I have one for my sons. And I wanted to try it in here because it's kind of a budget rod. There's another bite. I'm gonna laugh if that's another trout, but I doubt it. That's a good fish. Stay up, stay up. No, that's a bass, and that's a good one. Ooh, that's a really good one. Dude, are you serious? Holy crap. Holy crap. And just barely in the tip of the mouth. Anyway, we're testing these baits and this braid and this rig, and I just caught an 18-inch largemouth. Dude. And actually, I'll tell you for sure what it is, because I got a ruler right here. 17 and a half, right under 18. Right under 18. Let's get a picture. That's a 3-pounder and a trout on 2 casts. What is going on? What a beautiful fish. Later, buddy. Let's keep going. Dang. And I'm the only one in here. This is awesome.